Yo, what is up, guys? Jacob back with another video for you guys today. Where's the mic? Oh, crap. Yo, what is up, guys? Jacob back with another video for you guys today. And today, we gotta say goodbye to somebody we loved. So, goodbye, Diego. Goodbye. But we're gonna get some more Big Rush players. Look at all of our big bucks. And if you guys were listening to me a couple videos ago, I said there was gonna be a special video today for Thanksgiving, and it's going to be Big Rush packs. So let's get into this. Once I have 400 to go, I'm going to do something very special. Well, not very special, but no way! Oh my god, second pack. Oh my god. Keep on opening them. What? Second pack into the video? How the heck did I get... Okay, that's good. I got some contract. But second pack into the video? What the heck? Okay. I should have deleted that kit. Or sold that kit. Okay. No! What? 2? Already 2 in the span of 100? Oh my god. No. It was 80. This was not 100. Okay. John Williams, sell that guy. No way. I got 2. Oh my god. I think that's what you get for like waiting till it's 11 o'clock or like a couple minutes after, and you open a lot of packs on these. But yeah, I've been waiting for wait a minute, let me go. Okay, so I am back. We've already got 2 of them. Oh my gosh, we got a left back and a center back. Oh my god, I'm hyped. I'm so surprised. Oh, I did one of these. I don't even know. Like last year, I did one of these, and I did with 1,000 big bucks, and I only got one superstar. And this year, oh my gosh, I'm going to be trying to do one of these every month, like a super pack opening. If I on this what is it called? On this team, because unless I get like my bronze to platinum series done, I might do it on them. But yeah, nothing much now. It's calmed out. Nothing really. I didn't expect anything after this too. After the first one, I didn't think there was going to be anything else until we got the next one, and then I was like, okay, hopefully we can get one more, and it's not a left back. Anything except for left back works, because we only have one center back and there's 2 center backs, and it can be the same person. You can just customize it. So far nothing much. Got a contract. Contract again. No. Alright, oh my god, no way. We got a right defender. Now all we need is a center back, another center back. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, dude. You even have 700. Oh, I thought I saw another purple card. I'm like, no way. And we have 700 packs. No, not 700 packs left. We have 700 big bucks left. Because, oh, well, now a little bit less than 700. Actually, I might just try. I want a left mid. I might just save a few big bucks for, oh, no, that's a gold. For, tomorrow, because I have a feeling they're going to do something for Black Friday. But I have no idea. So far, 3. We've only done 470 big bucks, and we've gotten 3 of them. That's 47 packs. Come on, center back. Oh my gosh, 77 contracts. Dribble. Come on. World class control. What's that? World class control again. Oh my gosh, no way, dude. Oh my god. On the second pack, I got one. The second pack. Oh my god. Ooh. So right now, 870 big bucks. We are gonna, oh, gold. Nothing here. We're gonna get one more. I want one more. Not to be greedy or anything, but I just want one more. Oh, we got one more. Oh, it's a central defender. No. We got all we needed. I'm gonna end it here. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm shaking. I'm literally shaking. Oops, I did that for wrong. Oops. Sorry, my bad. Oh my god. 99 rated. 99 rated. I'll be back when I have them into their actual, like Ivanovic and us, like the actual Chelsea players. So I'll see you in a second. Oh my. I'm still like shaking a little bit after this. Like, oh my gosh. I have the 4 in the back, man. That's after, oh my gosh. We do 1470. Okay, I'm gonna do some quick math here. Be right back to you. Okay, so my quick math calculated that I got one approximately every 160 bucks. 160 bucks. Yeah, I got everybody there could be. Oh wait, no I didn't. I could have gotten Javier Ortiz, but I got Almeida again. I got 2 of those. But I got every position there could be. And I just customized them anyways. So yeah, and to end the video off, I am going to get a big players pack. Why? I'm hoping I can get either a left midfielder or a center midfielder or a left striker. I want one of those two. Maybe we can get our team up to 100 rated this video. If we can, that's just amazing. So 3, 2, 1. No luck. I think there's 3 in right striker, left striker, left striker, left striker. These aren't good players. Maybe we can get... Can we get him up there? Oh, we can. He's going to be better than Pedro. Oh my. 99 rated. I gotta get... Oh my gosh. I need to get one more thing for him because I have platinum everything. I just need a... Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I'm still shaking. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe that happened, man. Okay, I'm going to do the silver packs. Or I'm just gonna pause it, and once I get one, I'll be back with you. Okay, our first silver pack, we got 2 shots, so that works out. I'm just gonna delete one because we only need one. Actually, we might need 2, so let's just keep it. And so yeah, we are going to put that in Pjich or whatever his name is. Hopefully, we can get him up to 95. No, look, I know he's gonna go to 94. 94, that's it. It's better than the other guy, but any midfielders? No, we didn't get any midfielders. That's sad. Okay, so we are leaving this video 99 rated. Oh my god, the pack opening is crazy. Hopefully, in the midfielders, I'll save up enough for that, and hopefully we can get a left midfielder and stuff, and center midfielder, and all those good things. If you like this if you like this pack opening, leave a like on the video, and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you next time. See ya!